In 7th grade were asked to use Minecraft to create fortresses and castles, something they learned about last year in 6th grade. They had to think carefully about defense and plan their castles as well. It's going to move quickly, but here's a tour of some of the structures and castles that our students have built. We're going to continue with the project for one more week, and then the final week we're going to put these structures to the test and see which teams managed to capture the flag. You can see here that some of the students have chosen to do some very intricate decorative work with Minecraft, and they're creating or recreating different images that they found online, block by block. We use a system of teleport stations to get around in our world and visit the different structures that the students have created. Each group was assigned a group leader from the class who were experts in Minecraft, and they are directing the work that their group members are undertaking. They're supervising, sharing ideas, and teaching at the same time. Planning for defense is important in this project, and you see that some of the students have incorporated elements of water, lava, fire. They'll be using TNT to create cannons, which will activate the TNT in the final session. Thinking about moats and towers. A lot of them have chosen to build on mountaintops, some in the sky, some underground. And they're choosing different materials which they think will withstand an attack from an enemy group. We use Minecraft Edu for the project, which allows me as a teacher to control many facets of the project that I wouldn't be able to control using regular Minecraft. Some of the groups have even incorporated elements of mazes into their fortresses, which can make it very confusing to get around in. Our hope is that rival groups will also find it confusing. When we do the final test of these fortresses and castles, we will be in survival mode, therefore the students won't be able to fly. That means that the teleport stations need to be placed strategically outside of the fortresses and castles, not inside, and they'll be able to wage their attack from the exterior of the fortress or castle. Teamwork is vital to the success of this project, and on the actual day that we test the fortresses, teamwork will be even more important as students try to not only defend their fortresses and their flag, but also wage attacks on rival groups in an attempt to capture their flags. Because the students will be working in survival mode, they'll also have to have plenty of supplies stored away in their fortresses, and that's what the chests are for. They will need weapons, food, tools, and supplies with which to shore up their castle if attacks prove to be quite harsh. Group leaders were asked to place signs next to their teleport stations indicating which groups the structures belong to. This pretty much sums up our tour of our Minecraft Fortresses and Castle project. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll try to provide you with some additional footage when we go into survival mode.